2019 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.